Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to print a page in Gmail on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Begin by opening Gmail on your PC. Launch your preferred web browser and visit mail.google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Gmail account. Step 2. Once you're on the Gmail page, simply right-click anywhere on the page. This will open a context menu with various options. Step 3. From the context menu, select the Print option. This will open the Print dialog box, where you can configure the print settings and preview the page before printing. By following these simple steps, you can easily print a page in Gmail on your PC. Printing important emails or attachments can be useful for record-keeping or offline reference. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Gmail tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.